Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got all butter shortbread recipe shared today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's so great to have you here. Today we're making shortbread. If you don't know my people now, guys, so for this recipe it's very important that I take you guys through a voiceover session because there are a lot of things you have to note about making shortbread. The first one being the fact that we can't use large grains, so we have to sift all our ingredients like the flour, the sugar, the vanilla, the salt, everything. And there's no liquid at all, so don't use liquid essence or water or milk and all that. We have enough moisture coming from this butter, which brings us to the next point. You have to use natural butter. Please, no time for sherry cambia and gonna use margarine. Just for your shortbread. We're making professional shortbread here, guys. Yeah, this is just mix. And feel free to dig in with your hands and just form this into a dough. You don't need to add any water and all that. So if you're using salted butter, you guys can omit the salt, but I used unsalted butter because I wanted to be able to control the amount of salt that I was putting into my shortbread cookies, biscuits. Oh guys, I brought myself yesterday, as you can see on my wrist. I was baking cake and I hurt myself. So guys, look at this sexy bowl. It's very easy, it comes together like a snap of a finger. And yeah, then we're going to roll this out. This is a kitchen hack, guys. If you're working with any laminated dough, any soft dough, any dough that's troublesome and all that, just pop your dough between two baking sheets and roll. This way you're not going to have stress with sticking and all that. If you try to roll this on your own, you might experience stress with sticking. I mean, you're going to save yourself some stress, please. You know than me, I don't like unnecessary stress. If you can avoid it, by all means. And this is another part that I like to talk you through. Don't make it too thin, and even if the sides are becoming thin, just use your fingers to pop them back in for even thickness. This is going to save us some dough for our shortbread, and we'll refrigerate for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I just flipped it to the back because the side on the chopping board was way smoother than the side that was facing the rolling pin. So I mean, it's logical, right? We want the sexy part to show up. Just trim out the edges and then cut them in strips, and further cut them into the sizes you want for your shortbread. So as you can see, the sizes I wanted, guys, I didn't even let the corners waste too. I cut everything and baked. So those small pieces, you can see the wedges around the corners, those were like the tasting pieces. You know how you make something and you just have to taste. I mean, I'll wait to snap the rest, but pinching. Guys, I eating this thing like, I don't know, 15 minutes into baking time, I just couldn't wait. My whole kitchen was smelling heavenly. Oh my god. Guys, so now we're going to put some holes into our shortbread. We need to put the holes because if you don't, when you're baking up your shortbread, it's gonna have like air pockets and it will disrupt your shape. We need to chill this for about 30 minutes again before baking. This will help our butter stay firm so that our shortbread doesn't melt. So there are a couple of things you can encounter with shortbread. If you're interested, just let me know. I've tried to tackle everything, and then you just bake and have your shortbread ready in no time. I hope I tackled enough. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give the thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.